The action camera world is on fire right now. With big names like DJI and GoPro setting the bar higher than ever, it's no wonder the competition is heating up. But while DJI is gearing up to make a splash in the 360-degree camera market with their Osmo 360, all eyes are on Insta360 to strike back with something truly groundbreaking. Enter the Insta360 X5. This camera hasn't even hit the shelves yet, but it's already making waves among creators, adventurers, and tech enthusiasts alike. So what's all the buzz about? Let's dive into the leaks, rumors, and the features that might make this camera a true game changer. First up, let's talk about durability. One of the biggest challenges with 360-degree cameras has always been protecting those all-important lenses. The Insta360 X4 addressed this with a removable lens guard, a step forward, but not without its limitations. Now the X5 is rumored to take durability to a whole new level, introducing advanced lens protection that's tougher and more user-friendly. Scratched lenses are a creator's nightmare, but if Insta360 delivers on these rumors, the X5 could make lens damage a thing of the past. For those who love capturing life's adventures in unpredictable environments, this could be a game changer. But durability isn't the only upgrade we're excited about. The X5 is rumored to feature a major leap in imaging capabilities, possibly swapping out the X4's 0.5-inch sensor for a larger 1-inch sensor. What does that mean? Better low-light performance, sharper visuals, and stunning clarity that might rival professional-grade cameras. While the X4 impressed us with 22-megapixel 360-degree images and 18-megapixel directional shots, the X5 could push these numbers to a whole new level. Imagine capturing breathtaking night skies or crystal-clear underwater footage with ease. Another standout rumor? Enhanced audio. Let's be real, even the best action cameras often struggle with sound quality. The X5 is expected to tackle this head-on with AI-powered noise cancellation and smart audio technology. Whether you're vlogging in a bustling city or filming on a windy mountaintop, the X5 could deliver crisp, immersive sound. For travel vloggers and filmmakers, this means fewer compromises when capturing both visuals and audio. And then there's GPS tracking. This feature, popularized by the GoPro Hero 13, could add a whole new storytelling layer to your content. Imagine geotagging your videos to create interactive maps or immersive timelines of your journey. Whether you're an adventurer or a hobbyist, this opens up exciting possibilities for creative storytelling. One more rumored upgrade we're keeping an eye on is thermal management. Overheating has always been a pain point for action cameras, especially during long shoots. The X5 might include advanced cooling mechanisms inspired by GoPro's Hero 13 design. If true, this could make extended recording sessions smoother and more reliable, perfect for sports events or long outdoor adventures. Now, let's talk about competition. With the DJI Osmo 360 and GoPro Hero 13 pushing the limits of innovation, Insta360 has to bring their A-game. The X5's rumored price range of $499 to $599 makes it a direct contender, and users will expect serious value for their money. Fortunately, Insta360's reputation for combining cutting-edge tech with user-friendly designs gives them a unique edge. The Insta360 X5 is projected to launch in December 2025, as confirmed by Brian Haynes from Storyteller Tech. If Insta360 delivers on even a fraction of these rumored features, the X5 could redefine what's possible in 360-degree content creation. Whether you're a pro filmmaker or a weekend adventurer, this could be the camera that changes the game. What do you think? Are you excited about the Insta360 X5? What if your smartphone could transform into the ultimate tool for creating stunning videos, capturing life's best moments, and even handling live streams with pro-level precision? Meet the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, the best smartphone gimbal of 2025. Sleek, compact, and packed with cutting-edge features, this all-in-one device is your gateway to effortless content creation. The Flow 2 Pro is the definition of convenience. It folds down to fit right in your pocket, ready to go whenever inspiration strikes. No extra gear, no complicated setup, just mount your phone, unfold, and let the Flow 2 Pro take care of the rest. With 3-axis stabilization, your footage stays silky smooth every time, whether you're running, biking, or simply walking through the city. No more shaky shots or missed moments. The Flow 2 Pro is the first and only gimbal to feature Apple's latest subject tracking technology, making it perfect for everything from action-packed sports games to heartfelt family reunions. With Deep Track 4.0, the Flow 2 Pro keeps your subject locked in, even if they move out of frame momentarily. And it's not just for people. Whether it's your energetic dog, a flying frisbee, or your toddler's first steps, this gimbal tracks it all with unmatched precision. The Flow 2 Pro isn't just a gimbal, it's an all-in-one content creation powerhouse. Want to capture hands-free? Set it down with the sturdier built-in tripod. Need a creative angle? Whip out the built-in selfie stick for high, low, or wide shots. And here's the game changer. With 360-degree pan tracking, you're free to move as you please. No end stops, no boundaries, just seamless motion for cinematic shots. iPhone users? This one's for you. The Flow 2 Pro integrates seamlessly with your iPhone's native camera app, allowing you to capture content with features like Apple ProRes for crystal clear footage and cinematic mode for that professional touch. Switch effortlessly between camera modes and focus on telling your story. No extra apps needed. Worried about battery life? Don't be. With 10 hours of battery life, the Flow 2 Pro keeps up from dawn till dusk. And for those unexpected moments when your phone's running low, simply plug it into the gimbal and charge on the go. It's like having a power bank in your pocket. Say goodbye to running back and forth to press the shutter button. With intuitive gesture controls, just raise your hand to start or stop recording. And if you're looking to take things further, control the Flow 2 Pro remotely from your Apple Watch or a second smartphone. Perfect for solo creators or group shoots. Unleash your creativity with the Insta360 app. Powered by AI, it makes editing a breeze. Features like Flash Cut automatically stitch together your best clips on beat to music, so you can focus on the fun part, capturing memories. All this packed into a device priced at just $160. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro redefines what a smartphone gimbal can do. From next-gen tracking and hands-free shooting to pro-level video tools, it's the ultimate companion for creators, vloggers, and anyone who wants to elevate their smartphone footage. So, what do you think of the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro? Is it the ultimate smartphone gimbal for creators in 2025? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews, tips, and tricks for creators.